All right, what's going on, traders? Most inconsistent trader on YouTube is back with another dub. My biggest win in trading ever, $279.96 GBP USD. Yeah, so let's break it down. So coming into the day, it was kind of, in my opinion, I thought it was bearish, right? So I mean, we had all this downward movement. We had, if we really look at the sessions here, which is how I determine my daily bias most of the time. We have these London session coming out, taking out these Asian session highs, then big downward momentum here. Kind of same thing in New York pre-market, another retracement above these Asian session highs, and then we're sending down. The reason that we flipped to some bullish action here is there was some manufacturing PMI news that came out for USD. Obviously, bad for USD means good for GBP USD. So that's why we got this nice big green candle here. And that's what I decided to enter off of. So I once we came below these London session lows here, and then we got these hammer candles. I'm telling you, these hammer candles are so clutch. Obviously, you don't want to trade just off of those, but I feel like that's just another confluence that you want to use along with your strategy with the liquidity sweeps. And then this huge, nice close above this high, so a break of structure. And then this is actually a 5 minute fair value gap that I entered off of. So really just a scalp today, not even like I was in the trade for less than 45 minutes, I think. So once the news, yeah, so the 10 a.m. candle and that 10:05 candle create this 5 minute fair value gap. I was really just waiting to enter off this 50%, but I kind of missed it a little bit because I wanted to see actually from this downward movement here, I wanted to see if this fair value gap was just going to get inversed and we're just going to keep going lower. So once I saw like this up close, I kind of actually just entered right off of this candle open where I could have got like a better entry down here, but it's okay. So yeah, entered right here. I'll go into the 1 minute because that's where I was really just watching it for any break of structure to the downside. And honestly, on the 1 minute, it was looking a little bit scary. But yeah, again, I had my TP down here. I really could have, I mean, sorry, my stop loss down here. Could have had it like here for better risk. But let's see. Turn off the indicator now. You can see it a little bit better. But yeah, so entered just here and then just strong movement up. So yeah, just watching on the 1 minute, watching for potential break of structure to the downside, potential flip. And then yeah, pretty much just hit my TP all the way up here. Yeah, I mean, honestly, just an A+ setup today, so I'm really happy with it. It was super emotional. Like normally I would take partials like above these highs. These are 5 minute highs, I think. Yeah, 5 minute highs like here. Normally I would take partials, these equal highs, but I just held on until it hit my TP and just it was tough. I'm not gonna lie, it was tough to not close early, but stuck to the plan and it really worked out. And that kind of shows like you gotta just stick to your rules. Don't force the trades. Don't close early. Don't get scared. Don't get emotional. Because it really is just like stats and it's like it's a numbers game. Like once you have your strategy, once you see your setups, that's what you should be answering off of, and it goes your way hopefully more often than not if you have a good strategy and if you really understand it. Um, and it's better than just like, gambling really. So, yeah, I mean, just a good trade for me today. I'll see again. Like, there is a lot of news this week, so I don't really like trading news too much. Obviously, today there was some news I traded, but I waited until about 10:30 or sorry. Um, yeah, I entered at like 10:30, so I did wait that half hour, which I usually like to wait 15 minutes, half an hour after news, depending on the type of news it is, how impactful it's going to be. There is a lot of news coming out this week though, like none tomorrow, so tomorrow might be a consolidation day. But we'll see. Yeah, any other trades that I take this week, I'll definitely upload. Up about 3%, almost 4% on the funded account at this point. So, yeah, slowly getting there. Obviously, not 100% win rate. No one has that, and I'm only uploading wins at this point. But it's not because I wanna come across as though I'm only winning. But I just feel like these ones are the most educational because it shows myself that like if you stay consistent and you stick to your strategy, then you win. Like most of my losses is just me forcing dumb trades and just doing stupid stuff because I feel like I needed to trade that day or just wanted to over trade, rather than like all these wins, these good wins that I upload. I feel like I've stuck to my strategy. So those are the ones that I want to upload at this point. Obviously, if I see if there's a day where I see I think an A plus setup and stick to my rules and then I still lose, then I'll upload that and analyze why exactly I lost and why it didn't go my way that day. But up until now, I just feel like all the trades I've taken have just been dumb. That have lost have just been dumb. It's not even worth explaining. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna try to be more consistent. I think that's the main thing holding me back right now is just inconsistency, because I feel like now I've proven myself that I somewhat know what I'm doing at least. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. If you're not using Forex Factory, I'm not sponsored by the way, but this is just free game. Like even if you don't trade news, you can just kind of track what events to avoid, right? But if you do trade news, super clutch website. But yeah, see you guys in the next trade recap. Peace.